Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word forecasters. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The forecasters predicted that a storm would hit the region later in the week. Forecasters refers to individuals who analyze data and make predictions about future weather conditions or trends based on their expertise and research. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.